A brief look at a sample of recent shipments. This is a new energy high-voltage power line up to 1000 volts. Newly customized wiring harnesses for new energy battery components. This is a car audio-video harness. This one is precision wire harnesses for medical equipment. This is our custom audio harness. Then this is the top of the line audio harness. Car sunroof wiring harness. This product is unanimously praised. Automotive chassis wiring harness. Our company's hot selling product.